no experience of Web3 or React, plus Web3 over 24 hours. Is it possible? You're about to find out. I'm gonna start a 24 hours countdown timer. Let's go. So in 24 hours, we're gonna make a decentralized application to mint our NFTs. I've got some resources. Okay, these are my resources. One is from Alchemy, another is this. I'm opening multiple and giving each one of them a fast read to see which one would work better. And just, I know a little bit about Next.js and React and how they work and stuff, but just a little bit, nothing more than that. It's gonna be a tough one. Why did I choose to do this? As for the front end, I'm using React with Next.js. But before anything, we need to come up with a to-do list. The first task, make the most basic DApp possible to see how things work. And this task is made of multiple parts. Part 1, make the project. Part 2, run the project on localhost. Now let's install some libraries and write the most simple Web3 application, which is connecting the MetaMask wallet to the website. Yeah, okay, it looks okay. Huh. Whoa, it works. We have a decentralized app in its most basic form. With step 1 completed, we can actually go to step 2, which is writing a smart contract for minting NFTs and testing it. Currently the clock looks something like this, and I'm about to spend so much time figuring out how Solidity works, because this is my first time learning Solidity. So I'm gonna copy this, just paste it over here. And sometimes when you think you are so smart, you are the dumbest in the room. And by the way, there's nobody else in my room. But anyways, as you can see here, I'm using an ERC721 contract, which is not the one that I need to be using. It took me 4 hours to figure that out. I'm gonna use this wizard to do some wizardry shit. Just gonna copy all that shit, replace it here. And now you can see that I had to use ERC1155, which would allow us to mint non-fungible and fungible tokens at the same time.
And then the OpenSea gets basically the URI under which they can find information about the certain NFT.
What the hell is even that?
Okay guys, I'm running a hard hat node over here, and I've imported my hard hat account over here. It has 1000 ETH on it. Now I'm gonna run a test to see if it works. Come on, man. Oh man, that is brutal. Yeah, okay, that works. That works. That is before. The first guy has 1, second guy has 0. Then after the transaction is done, the first guy has 0, the second guy has 1. So that seems to be working. Okay. Now I kinda understand it better. Oh, this is tough. This is tough to comprehend. How many hours have we got left? It's going good. 16 hours left. So far we've completed all these steps in the second task. We've written a proper contract and tested it. But the thing is that we've tested all of these on our local machine and they don't show up on OpenSea. So I started deploying my contracts on other test networks, such as Rapston. This Pinata is so slow. It's probably Pinata's fault that we're not getting anything on here. Oh! Bruh! It worked! Oh, I can't believe it. I got 5 NFTs here. I kind of switched the testnet to from Rapston to Rinkeby, whatever that is. But it works now. I've got 5 NFTs. Woo! That feels great. How many hours? We've got 14 hours left to come up with a website that uses this contract to mint those motherfucking NFTs. At this point, vanity took over me, and I laid things off to the last minute. Okay guys, we still got some time left, and I still haven't done the website yet. So, and at the same time at this point, I started making little tiny mistakes that nobody can see with the bare eye. Why is it empty? Why is it empty? We're running out of time, bruh. I've got 27 minutes to finish this. This is getting crazy. I didn't notice the time, man. 27 minutes? How do I do it in 27 minutes? No matter what I did, I kept getting the same error over and over again. What do you mean proxy? What the fuck is proxy? This is generally me whenever I'm programming. I'm getting all kinds of errors. I don't know why. I am running out of time super fast. I've got 20 minutes to make this work. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Okay. Oh, I fixed it. There was a problem with the image thing. I wish that was true. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, fuck you. Jesus fucking Christ. I lost this battle. This is a fucking mess, man. This is a mess. I'm out. I lost this fucking challenge. Fuck you, Web3. I'm out. Let me explain the tech behind this shit while I'm taking a chill pill in the background. This is a node, meaning it's part of a network, a decentralized network. And this is a smart contract. It's kind of a back-end code for a Web3 application. But instead of it being centralized, meaning storing data in a database, it stores data on a decentralized network. Any smart contract that you wish to use in your Web3 application needs to get deployed using a node, meaning it must get propagated throughout the decentralized network. So the code will be decentralized, running on a distributed decentralized machine. As for the tech stack, I'm using React for the UI, Alchemy to run a node without actually having to run a node on my own computer, Hardhat to deploy our smart contract to the network, and a plugin called ethers.js to enable us to interact with the contract using React. Now let me show you the kind of the small bugs that make you angry as a programmer. I've been debugging this shit forever. Can you guess what my problem was? Can you guess it? Can you fucking guess it? Let me show you. The network should not be Hardhat. Like here it is. Network, Hardhat, right? That is the issue. Network should be local fucking host. This is the stupidest shit I've ever seen. Why don't you give me any errors when I'm using Hardhat and not localhost? What the fuck is Hardhat then, if it's not localhost? Makes no sense. Zero fucking sense. Another ridiculous problem that I had. I wasn't returning anything in this map function. And when you don't return anything, nothing gets rendered. And of course you're gonna wonder why. Because you were really stupid. This is the stupidest shit ever. And now if we mint this one, it asks us to pay. If we confirm the payment, it gets minted. But the next one is not minted, so it works. It works when we work with URLs. So the other one needs to be minted. So if we click mint and confirm the payment, it gets minted as well. And we minted the next one. Bruh, it's working. It gets minted. Now we've got multiple assets minted by the buyer. That is really nice. But Pinata is making it like it's not giving us the images fast. It's taking so much fucking time. It's slow as fuck. But our thingy, our RIP site, RIP 3 application is working. Although it looks really ugly, but it's working. So I made it work. Yeah. And if it wasn't because of the stupid mistakes I made, stuff like putting putting 1 instead of 0, I don't know, using network hard hat instead of localhost, and the other thing, being on the wrong chain. If it wasn't for these stuff, I would have completed it much more sooner and I wouldn't have failed the task, the challenge.